Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up flight price alerts in Skyscanner. First, go to the Skyscanner website and search for your flight. Example, New York to Tokyo. Select your travel dates. You can choose one-way or round trip, then click search. On the results page, click Get Price Alerts. A message will confirm that your price alert has been created. Skyscanner will send you an email whenever the price changes. To check which email is linked, click your profile in the top right corner. Your registered email will appear there. Tick the checkbox if you also want to receive travel deals and news from Skyscanner. And that's it. That's how to set up flight price alerts in Skyscanner. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.